Briefly in English, I'll summarize what I said. I want to start by thanking and appreciating the National Vice Chairman Northwest of the ADC, Honorable Jafar Ibrahim Sani, the Membership Secretary of the ADC, Senator Sadiq Eradua, and all the senior leaders of the party that are present here. I didn't want to list all of them because we'll spend a long time here. I want to thank all of you for assembling here at a very short notice to witness my enrolling as a bona fide member of the African Democratic Congress. As you know, when I left the APC in March 2025, I joined the Social Democratic Party, SDP, with the hope that the SDP will be the vehicle that the coalition partners will go into. Unfortunately, because the government has bribed and compromised some of the leaders, the SDP would not accept to open up for the coalition leadership to come into the party. Happily, the ADC agreed to the terms and conditions of the coalition leadership, and on the 2nd of July, we adopted the ADC as the coalition platform. Before the adoption, the SDP had some candidates for by-elections as well as local government elections in Niger State. Labour Party had candidates for by-elections as well as the governorship election in Anambra State. Accordingly, Mr. Peter Obi and I requested the indulgence of the coalition to allow us to remain in our respective parties until the conclusion of these by-elections and out-of-season elections. I'm happy to announce that as at last week, all these elections have been concluded, and for that reason, we have no reason any longer to remain in the SDP or the Labour Party. Accordingly, I informed the party of my desire to register immediately, and the national leadership of the party dispatched no less a person than the National Membership Mobilization Secretary, our Senator Sadiq Eradua, to come personally and enroll me into the register of the party. A few days ago, the senator went to Adamawa, went to Jada to register Wazir Adamawa, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar. And he is here now to register me, and you'll be seeing him going around registering all the coalition leaders. My registration number is 000002 because 00001 is the National Vice Chairman of the party, Honorable Jafaru Sani, who was the first to register amongst all of us as a member of the ADC. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you, particularly a few people whose names I've mentioned in Hausa that played significant roles in arranging this event at very short notice. I was informed at 6 p.m. yesterday to be here at 4 o'clock, and I managed to get here by 5 o'clock. I apologize to the secretary and all the leaders that had to wait, but the traffic on the Abuja-Kaduna road was a bit hectic. I want to call on all citizens of Kaduna State of 18 years and above to come out en masse and register with the All African Democratic Congress. By the grace of God, along with other partners, we are going to repeat what we did in 2015 when we got rid of the incompetent, thieving, stealing, and corrupt PDP administration. The current government in Kaduna State is led by people that have no name, no address, no surname to protect, and therefore they think the purpose of being in government is to steal and divert public funds. We contributed in bringing them into office. We therefore have a duty to contribute in sending them back home before they go to prison by the grace of God. So I want to call on all the people of Kaduna State who know what we did in our 8 years and can compare with what is going on now, to come out en masse, register with the ADC, and get their permanent voters card and prepare to vote out these incompetent, cursed, and useless people pretending to be a government. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all. ADC! ADC! AD and C! Rise and shine Nigeria. Thank you very much.
What chairman?
Kuma zai an shi katinsa na ADC. Dalla mu tafa, jama'a a tafa. Congratulations, Your Excellency, sir.
This is your size now.
DJ.